Street food, the vibrant tapestry of flavors and aromas that grace bustling streets around the world, has a history as rich and diverse as it represents. From humble beginnings to becoming a cherished aspect of daily life, street food has transcended boundaries to unite through shared culinary experiences. This documentary delves into the fascinating history of street food, explores the countries with the most ardent street food lovers, and highlights the profound importance of this cultural phenomenon. The roots of street food trace back centuries, as vendors offered quick, affordable sustenance to passers-by. Ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans indulged in portable foods sold in markets and on street corners. However, it was during the Middle Ages that the concept truly took off, with street vendors providing nourishment to laborers and travelers in bustling marketplaces. As urbanization progressed, street food adapted to suit the fast-paced lives of city dwellers. Food carts, stalls, and trucks emerged, offering everything from savory snacks to sweet delights. Each region contributed its unique flavors, leading to a mosaic of global street food cultures that are still evolving today. Imagine walking down a bustling street, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and smells of sizzling grills, bubbling pots, and aromatic spices. This is the heart of street food, where flavors blend, stories unfold, and a sense of unity is shared among strangers. Each street food vendor brings their unique twist to classic recipes, often passed down through generations. It's more than just food, it's a piece of history served on a platter. As the sun sets, a different kind of energy takes over. Night markets come alive with twinkling lights and the laughter of families and friends. It's a celebration of life and flavors. Street food isn't just about the food itself, it's about the experience of sharing it with others. Communal tables bring people from different walks of life together, fostering connections that transcend language barriers. Street food doesn't discriminate. From high-end business districts to quaint alleys, you'll find these culinary gems everywhere. They're a testament to the fact that good food knows no boundaries. Let's talk flavor. Spices dance, textures tantalize, and each bite is an explosion of taste that lingers on your palate. Whether you're craving savory, sweet, or something in between, street food has something for every palate. From the spicy curries of India to the savory tacos of Mexico, from the aromatic kebabs of Turkey to the noodle delights of Asia, street food reflects the soul of a nation. As a traveler and a food lover, street food has become my passport to the world. It's like taking a culinary journey without leaving the street corner. Here's to the unsung heroes of our taste buds, the street food vendors who infuse our lives with a symphony of flavors. So, next time you walk past a food cart or stall, remember that you're not just buying food, you're embracing a culture, a history, and a story. Remember to like, all in one delicious bite, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more amazing.
Go.
खाने ही नहीं दे रही है
क्यों?
इसकी तो खाने ही नहीं दे रही है।
इसकी आ रही है?
चटनी बोल ले बाबू।
भाई पे कब से बना रहे हो? भाई पे कब से बना रहे हो? 12 साल है। हाँ डोसा 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 भैया डोसा आ जाओ खड़ी आ जाओ खा लो नहीं नहीं ये डालेंगे यूट्यूब फेसबुक पेज ग्रुप प्रचार हो जाएगा अपना
प्रचार हो गया ज्यादा ग्राहक है इतने पतले कोई नहीं बना सकता
थोड़ा ही
काफी जहाँ पे करारे
तुम खूब पूछ लो बनाने पानी नहीं गया भाई तो आप कहाँ से हो मदुरई अभी स्पून ले लेना स्पून दे दियो
मैं तो खा ही नहीं रहा हूँ
नहीं पापा में बचे आई नहीं
इधर आ इधर आ इधर आ नहीं हमारे तो मम्मी डाला है बात
पापा
हैं
यहाँ पे झींगुर लगा हुआ है
क्या एक और खाओ और बनाएंगे हम खा रहे हैं बहुत
मेरे भी खा रहे हैं पापा मेरा है आप खा लीजिए।
ये चाहिए
मिर्ची नहीं है क्या
हैं
मिर्ची नहीं है इसमें
और एक और भैया बनिए एक और बनाइए हेलो भाई जी
ये खत्म पापा
गरम नहीं है गरम मसाला है